Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into the Roblox account that controls privacy settings. Make sure your email is verified and 2FA is enabled for security. Once logged in, go straight to Settings, then click Privacy and Security. Desktop gives the most complete view. If you're adjusting a child's account, have that username ready so you can switch profiles quickly. These prerequisites cut back and forth and let you take the first actionable steps now, so you can change who chats, who can join, and who can follow. Now you fine-tune communication and connection settings. Change who can message me and who can chat to friends or no one depending on how strict you want it. Next, restrict who can join me in game and block who can invite to private servers to stop unwanted join requests. Then review connections or linked accounts and disable app integrations or third-party linking. This reduces data sharing. Make sure to save changes. After that, test with a friend account so you confirm the new limits behave as expected. Finish by enabling account restrictions or parental controls for child accounts. This enforces friends only and blocks chat automatically. Also double-check the account age. Roblox applies stricter defaults for under 13 users, so set the correct birth date to activate those protections. Once everything is set, log out and back in to confirm persistence. If changes do not save, clear your browser or app cache, try a different device, and then retry. If the issue persists, contact Roblox support and provide screenshots so they can verify and restore correct privacy settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.